We're gonna keep turning it up. We're gonna try to make 1,000. See if we can do it. How's that first pull feel?
I have no idea. It depends on how much I made.
Were you scared?
Yes.
I was scared.
Terrified.
X 24 should have.
I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but this cat, we're looking at this data log. 30 pounds of oil pressure. He looks at the dipstick and Cody goes,
Whatever it makes on the trans brake, 55 times the oil pressure.
"It ain't got none. It ain't got no gas in it."
Because it just like.
Oh man.
Well, that's why it's got low oil pressure.
Well, that's why it was dipping at 12 pounds when it was surging.
It's not making.
How's that feel? How's that first pull feel?
I have no idea. It depends on how much I made.
Were you scared?
Yes.
I was scared.
Cue the montage. Cue the montage.
Get you some of that. All right, everybody. So we're at Silva Garage today, and we are going to be doing tune on Turbo LS. It's what, a 6.2?
6.0.
6.0. Summit rod, Summit crank, Summit pistons. It's an 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter VS billet. Bad boy. Either way, we're gonna put it on the dyno and try to blow it up. So we don't know how this deal's gonna go. It's been on the street. It's made some power. So we pumped 16 pounds through it. Ain't blowing up with this sketchy tune. So it is sketchy. I'm telling you, I don't know nothing. So right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to bleed all the air out of the system. So we had to unbolt the radiator and lift it above. I'll show you in a minute why we had to do that. But we'll get the air bled out of the cooling system and then we'll back up on the dyno. Alright, so we're going to start this up. We're going to run through the gears. I'm going to check the tune up, make sure it's smooth. The AFR is where we want it. This car's already ran on this tune, so it shouldn't be that hard to get it where it needs to be. And we're going to do that, and then we'll make an actual real pull and see what it makes. Awesome. Look at this. $624 on 8 pounds. 8 pounds. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome to see. How's that feel? How's that first pull feel?
I have no idea. It depends on how much I made.
Were you scared?
Yes.
I was scared.
Terrified.
X 24 should have.
Made 722 on that pull. We had 4 degrees of timing, no fuel changes, no nothing. We'll see what it makes. 845 horsepower. That is nuts.
I think I'm close to 100.
So,
And I don't think it was done. We can't see it.
25 per degree is usually about right.
that is crazy. Wow. Did not blow up either. That car is insane. That's awesome. We're going to keep turning it up. We're going to try to make 1,000. See if we can do it. So we hit boost cut on that. I had it set at 18 pounds, and obviously it tapped it because we're trying to command like right at 18, 19, and we're overshooting a little bit. So I raised the boost cut safety, and we're gonna make another pull. £17.1, and we made 881 on that pull. So not too shabby. We're gonna turn it up. We're gonna put 25 pounds in it and just send her to the moon. We're not gonna monkey around no more.
We'll send it almost to the moon. Not quite. Just like right below.
We're gonna Elon Musk this thing, and it's going.
No. The moon means the rods are out of it.
Don't break my
That's that 6-liter versus the 5.3 difference.
Oh man, yeah, that's awesome. All right, so we're gonna turn the boost up. 22 pounds. Jimmy says 22 pounds. That's the number.
22,000?
That's what he says. 22's
You
1,000.
holding on to it?
I put 23 in your number, your target.
He wants 23 in target.
Make
Yeah,
how
because it's
much is
under.
your target?
Yeah,
It'll get worse as it gets 630 to make 20.
I'll do it.
It's a T4 housing.
I'll do it.
I mean, it's gotta be.
What
starting.
size back house is it? It's a 144. A 144? We're on T4.
All right, you see it right here,
The turbo's a 76
right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. We're gonna target 23. Hopefully it hits 22. That should net us
legal ones that they run.
9. I'm gonna go
Yeah, I bet.
945
Honestly,
is what this new number is gonna be. So we'll find out. All right, so we put 22 pounds in it. It made 17 on the last one. We put 22 in it this time. It made 881. I expect it's gonna make like 945, maybe 950 on this one. We'll see. So let's get to it. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. We hit 19 pounds on that. We're commanded 23. So we're gonna look into it, see what we can find. It made 914 that pull, so not too bad. All right, so after we talked with Jimmy and Jake, we figured out that we're just gonna have to increase dome pressure boost number. But what's happening is it's no longer 1-to-1 on dome pressure versus the boost it's making. So we've increased it. We did some figuring out how much dome we have to put on top to get to the boost number we want to get to. So hopefully it's going to make it. We're hoping to see 21, 22 pounds of boost on this pull. Hopefully it's going to make 970 because it made 914 on 19. So hopefully it makes 970. We're going to go 970 on this pull. Hey, the problem we got right now, Cody, yeah. So when it came off that pool, it was dipping to about 12 pounds.
God!
How much oil is in it?
So 18.7 degrees of timing. So right here. So oil pressure at 18 pounds is 30 pounds.
That's RPM? The high RPM?
At 7,000.
Okay.
How much oil is in it?
Annie.
Oh my God! I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but this cat, we're looking at this data log. 30 pounds of oil pressure. He looks at the dipstick, and Cody goes,
Whatever it makes on the trans brake, 55 times the oil pressure.
"It ain't got none. It ain't got no gas in it."
Because it just like.
Oh man.
Well, that's why it's got low oil pressure.
Well, that's why it was dipping at 12 pounds when it was surging.
It's not making as much horsepower.
Oh.
It's starting to seal it out too. So.
All right, so we're gonna end it there. The car made on 20 pounds of boost. It made, sorry, wrong computer here. At 20 pounds of boost, we made 933 horsepower on 20 pounds. We're gonna end it there, and we've got other issues we've got to deal with before we can turn it up anymore. But highly impressed with this deal. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching.